Hiya folks, this is a revolving light that I pulled off an old tow truck, and this particular unit was made in 1969, came off a 1970 tow truck, and anyhow the truck has been parked since 1990. So for the past 34 years this thing has not been turned on or anything. I was actually amazed that the motor would still work, but I had to basically take it all apart, clean it up, de-rust it, paint it, and put it back together. Now the bubble or the globe that you see on the top was pretty well skinned up. I tried buffing out as much as I could. It was real yellow, and that's from about 54 years of being out in the elements. Now this is a Federal Sign and Signal Corporation beacon ray light, and this is a model 17, and it's a 12 volt unit, as you can see with the label right here. And I repainted that, but it's still a little bit scuffed up, but considering its age I still think it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, two of the seal beam bulbs that were in it were burned out. One was a red and the other one was clear, and I'm going to try to find some others to replace it with. I may put some LED lights in it, and that way it doesn't consume as much energy nor get near as hot as it would with the seal beam bulbs. But I thought this was a neat little addition to put in our yard, thanks to a friend of ours that gave it to me. Cheers.